I love me good Kar98 build. I'm a big fan of the rifle. Loved it in 2019 Call of Duty. And now it is a insane hip-firing meta weapon in Call of Duty 3. So let's take a look at this. Now, if you want to see the actual build, go ahead and skip to about 3/4 of the video. You'll see it there. However, like and subscribe. Take a look at the article via Deserto. Warzone players are already annoyed by Kar98k as it makes games miserable. Of course. I think it's safe to say most metas in Call of Duty and Warzone are if you can't beat them, join them, right? So Warzone players are already a bit tired of the Kar98k as the rifle is making things miserable. The Battle Royale. There have been a handful of weapons that Warzone players look back fondly on, but none more so than the Kar98k. The long-range rifle dominated the early days of Battle Royale in Verdansk. Good times. I remember just wall-banging people with the Kar98, just absolutely loving it. But it wasn't, I don't remember it being broken for Verdansk. And also ran Riot on the other maps as well. Went away for a while, disappearing from Call of Duty. The arrival of Call of Duty Vanguard, which was a huge waste of money. I bought that to play with my buddies, and we're trying to play the multiplayer mode, and that died out really quick, unfortunately. And even the single player was just mind-numbing. A terrible game. So when it was announced that the car would be returning Season 4 of Modern Warfare 3, fans were initially delighted. However, it's been a few weeks since the rivals made its return. Fans have started to sour just a little bit. Quote, "For the life of me, I can't understand why people wanted this. Every game is just getting randomly cracked or down from God knows where, trying to do anything," Redditor says. If this were any sniper not named Car, people would be up in arms. The amount of third carding has been absolutely insane. Others said, well, adding that Warzone is feeling miserable right now. I don't remember Warzone, unfortunately, in its heyday. Yeah, Verdansk was amazing. What, you play that? You can play Verdansk on mobile. Come on. Who's playing Call of Duty? Warzone on mobile. 10-year-olds, maybe 12-year-olds. Teach their own. That's fine. Not my cup of tea. But hey, it's there, right? I don't know. I just don't remember the most recent iterations of Warzone being anything more than just full of hackers and campers. It's not enjoyable. Anyways. Over. Warzone has become mind-numbingly boring, commented another player. We'll show you the insane abilities of this weapon in a second. Some have already suggested nerfing the car, including toning down its bullet velocity and damage. These devs know what they're doing. Right, people are making articles about these weapon metas, keeping the game in the news cycle. They know exactly what they're doing. Also, I think they get lucky too. I think they're like, whoops, oops, oopsies. I think there's like oopsies, and they know what they're doing at the same time. I'd nerf the bullet damage just a little bit. I don't think it should be the only sniper that one taps from every distance when argued. Yeah. I remember the shotgun in 2019. You could shoot people across the map with the shotgun. That was something. That was actually fun. I knew it was going to get nerfed, but it was still. The flip side of things, fans are still delighted by the car's ridiculous power, even without the laser. I've noticed, at least in multiplayer, my no-scopes are ridiculous with the car, one said. Been loving the Kar98, another added. Seems unlikely that the car will be nerfed anytime soon, especially as the nostalgia factor is still looming large for some returning players. Let's take a look at this sanity, shall we? I mean, it's pretty ridiculous, guys. Just one tap and Here's the thing. It doesn't, and this is the loadout. I'll bring it up on the screen here. This is the thing. It doesn't take. The thing is it's like when you're running around with shotguns, guys. It doesn't take skill to one tap somebody like this, to have this weapon loadout and to be able to take someone out. Just it doesn't take skill. Is it fun? Does it give you the upper hand? Yeah. Would I use this build? Probably if I was playing. But let's take a look at the build. Kar98, you want no stock, CS15 Scarlet for the laser, and then a 7.92 high-grained round. And over here, gotta expand this. You want the precision guru, that barrel. I can't even pronounce that barrel. Sonic suppressor. So, I mean, this is essentially the loadout. What is that? Prison. No stock. CS15 Scarlet box laser. 7.92 high grain rounds. Sonic suppressor and precision guru barrel. There we go. I mean, hey. Like I had originally said, if you can't beat them, join them. And when we're talking Warzone, it is infuriating. That's why I stopped playing the game. You just don't know if, okay, what's the current meta? Listen, don't get angry at the meta. I'm trying not to get angry at the metas, but it's part of the game, right? Yeah, I would do this loadout just to be able to stay in the game. You know what I mean? Have you guys used this Kar98 loadout? Do you have something similar? What's your Kar98 loadouts look like? Put them down in the comments. I'm actually really curious to see them. Are you enjoying Warzone? I hope you are. You know, so I mean, do we play these games to stay sane, right? I don't know how sane I would be getting bopped by this car in Warzone, but, you know, let me know down in the comments below. Be nice to each other. I appreciate you guys. It's some news. Talk to you soon.